For 10 years, the Politico Healthcare Summit has been Europe's go-to forum for debating European health policy. As Europe faces rising disease burdens, geopolitical tension, and tech-driven disruption, the conversation is turning to what comes next and who is shaping it.
There are a lot of great topics on the agenda of our summit that I'm really looking forward to explore with our panelists. But one thing that I'm excited to hear about is how the EU and countries are preparing for the next public health threat. Health security has really come on top of the agenda over the past couple of years, from preparing for the next pandemic to the rise of vector-borne diseases, but also biological and nuclear threats. So I think that's really going to be an interesting discussion.
The issue that feels the most urgent in 2025 is how global tensions will play out on health in Europe and worldwide. I feel like European policymakers are really trying to convince the pharmaceutical sector that Europe can be and is competitive. However, there are long-standing issues such as access to health and small healthcare budgets that cannot be forgotten.
This November, dive into 2 days of high-impact interviews and debate, led by Politico's trusted health reporters and editors.
The Healthcare Summit has come a long way in the last 10 years. The first one I attended was 9 years ago in Geneva at the Four Seasons Hotel on the banks of the lake. Since then, we've done the summit in the pandemic to an almost empty room of people wearing masks. And we've moved to virtual events and tackling all the technical issues live on stage that entails. Today, I'm really glad to be here for the 10th anniversary Healthcare Summit, and we've got a fantastic agenda of people from the Commission, the Parliament, the ECDC, EMA, and more. And I'm really proud to be here with you today.
Marking a decade of impact. Join us for this milestone edition, November 18th and 19th.